All right, welcome back. Day in the life of the Grimords. So today is not the usual tractor, firewood, chainsaw, outdoor kind of stuff, but when we started this channel, we talked about doing things that were a day in the life of the Grimords. So today, well, let me backtrack. So I watch a lot of YouTube things, and without saying I like to eat. So I'm a self-proclaimed carnivore. So I like to cook. I like to grill. I just bought a smoker. So you might see some things like that in the future. But anyway, so like I said, I watch a lot of YouTube videos myself about different things, and some of it's informative, some of it is not, but it's like any channel. You kind of pick and choose. So anyway, we had some wings. We knew we were going to do some wings for tomorrow. And so I said, let me go on there. And I got this smoker, like I said, so I wanted to smoke some wings. So I went on YouTube and I watched a couple of videos. And so Leslie and I had also been just toying around with different seasonings. We're trying different things. Like I want to smoke a lot of different things. I've already done a pork shoulder in there, and so I want to try and smoke a lot of stuff. Anyway, like I said, I like ribs, pork butts, shoulders. I'm going to do some pork belly soon, and then tomorrow we're going to do wings. So anyway, so first thing I did is just, like everything, is figuring out the seasoning. And it's all flavored, whatever your taste buds are, whatever flavor you like to have, whatever. That's on you. But what I'm going to do is just show you, so run down a quick recipe for some smoked wings. So this is kind of, like I said, this is my own concoction. I took about 6 videos and put them all together and got the gist of what I need. So we got some wings. They're thawed out. We dried them really good with paper towels, really good and dry, and then we seasoned them. This is McCormick's Grill Mates brown sugar bourbon seasoning. And again, you can season these however you want to your taste. This is just what we're doing. So again, when we were trying new things, we kind of went out on a limb, and I got 2 other seasonings. So this one's roasted garlic and herb, which we have not cooked anything with. And then this evening I made some pork chops, and this is Smokehouse Maple. Again from McCormick's. These are all McCormick's brand. But they incorporate all the same stuff, the brown sugars, the salt, peppers, garlics. Everything is in there. It's already done for you. We got all these on Amazon. And not to plug Amazon, but that, it's nice because you can go back there, and if you're like, what kind was it? What did we like? Let's reorder it. It's very easy. But anyway, let's talk about the wings real quick. So I'll probably show a little bit of my smoker tomorrow. We'll get a little bit of clip of that. But so, like I said, wings thawed, dried out, seasoned very well. We put them on a wire rack. And what we're going to do is we're going to put these in the fridge, and they're just going to sit overnight and try and draw some of that moisture out of the skin. So tomorrow we're going to smoke them for probably an hour and a half to 2 hours, getting them up to, probably a 150, 160 temp, or maybe probably even a little bit less. And then what I'm going to do is just try and crisp them up, and then I'm going to throw them on the grill for about 10 minutes, 5 minutes each side, get them up to that 160, 165 temp. And then we're going to eat them. But anyway, this is just something, this is another something that we're doing, things we're trying, experimenting. Obviously, make sure I have temperature probes and all that, but make sure, you're getting everything to the proper temperature. But anyway, this is something we're doing. You're probably going to see some more of that because, like I said, I love to grill. I love to cook out. So there's going to be more episodes showing the smoker, maybe us grilling, doing things in the future. But anyway, stick around. Like I said, we'll have a little bit more tomorrow on the smoker and then maybe on the grill. And yeah, we'll go from there. All right, so we're picking up from yesterday. We talked about making some wings, and I showed you the rubs I was using and all that kind of stuff. So what I'm showing you here now is my beautiful wife. We talked about it, and she went ahead and bought me a smoker. So this is a charbroil smoker. This is chips. It uses chips, and then it's got a pan for water. You can kind of see how it works when we open it up. So again, going online, watching 20 videos on smoking wings, I happened to come across Cowboy Kenny and his wings, and I'm kind of taking bits and pieces. But so we got them all seasoned. We got the smoker up to 225, and so now what we're going to do is we're going to load the wings, cook those for about 2 hours, and temperature, we'll check it when we pull them out. It should be about 140, 145. And then what we'll do is we'll take them right from the smoker and we'll go over and we'll finish them on the grill. People deep fry them, people do whatever, trying to get them crispy, but I think we're going to go right from the smoker to the grill, crisp them up, and then we're going to eat them. But so I'm going to get the wings now and we're going to load this thing up. So here are the wings. They've been sitting in the refrigerator for 24 hours, all seasoned. So now we're just going to load them up. I probably should have told you to give me the other one. So I'm just going right to the rack. People do everybody does their own little how they want to do it. Some people load these racks right into the smoker, and I don't think it would do anything to it, but I'm just going to go right to the rack here and just go that route. In case you're wondering, I did already season the smoker. I've already smoked some pork on it. I think I mentioned that yesterday. So it's definitely had some stuff on it. So it's all ready to go. All right. So that's it. So real quick, this side holds water for moisture, and then this is where your chips go. So that's pretty much it. So now that, we got to let that come back up. I'm going to let the smoker come back up to temp, and then we'll start the clock. Roughly an hour, 45 minutes to 2 hours. So now we just let this thing, so something else. Okay, so in testing the smoker, what I found out, if you read the instructions, it tells you that chip pan will hold enough chips if you fill it, and then it will do an hour worth of smoking. Well, what I found is after an hour, it still had wood chips in it. Now, they weren't, obviously all real good, but it had wood chips in it. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to just let this go for 2 hours, because I think the wood chips will last a good hour and a half. So I'm going to let this thing go for 2 hours. I'm not going to worry about opening it, putting more chips in to finish it. I think we're just going to let it keep going, and it'll kind of be what it's going to be at the end. But anyway, so like I said, we're just waiting for this thing to come back up. We're going to start a timer. I'm not going to flip them. I'm not going to open this now till 2 hours from now, and then we'll show you going to the grill. All right, it's time to pull the wings. Yeah, I'm more excited to see how they look than anything else. I'm sure they're going to taste delicious.
Whoa.
Wow.
They smell really good.
All right, here we go.
finished it in that, is it brown sugar bourbon? I think it was.
Oh, the seasoning?
Yeah.
Oh, yeah. Go back and look, right? All right, let's get these over here on the grill. They look delicious already. Oh, okay. So to be honest, I really don't think they need any more cooking. I'm pretty sure they're probably all good and cooked, but we're just gonna finish them off on the grill here. Let's give them a little, maybe crisp them up a little bit. I'm not gonna stay on here but about 10 or 15 minutes at the most, and then we'll pull them off and eat them. Oh, all right. Well, just give them about 5-10 minutes on the grill just to char them up a little bit, which I think they're done. I think they're ready to go. So now we're gonna go inside and eat them. All right, all that work. Let's see how it tastes. Oh yeah. Oh yeah, really good. I can taste the smoke, the seasoning. Oh yeah. Definitely cooked through. Excellent.